The current demonstration pilot and team commander is Major Melanie Mock Klusner. Klusner took over for former demonstration pilot and team commander, Major Kristen Beowulf in March 2024. Examples of these demonstrations include minimum radius turns to high alpha turns, passing through the weapons bay doors, pedal turns, slow speed to power climb, and tactical pitch. The F-35, a Lightning II demonstration team, is a United States Air Force flight demonstration team under the 388th Fighter Wing, currently stationed at Hill Air Force Base in Davis County, Utah. The team flew the U.S. Air Force F-35, a fighter jet, in an air show featuring aerial maneuvers that demonstrated the F-35 as super maneuverability. The demonstration team was established in late 2018 and was initially stationed at Luke Air Force Base in Arizona. They were relocated to Hill Air Force Base in 2019.